afternoon friends, myself dietitian Trupti from Bhubaneswar. Today I am going to talk about dietary management and lifestyle modification in epilepsy or seizures. Epilepsy or seizure can be reversed along with medication through proper dietary management and lifestyle routine changes. Mostly a person who is suffering from this issue can be controlled through proper dietary management, like a person has to take extra care of his routine diet. If he is taking improper foods and mostly taking outside foods, fully processed, refined and super refined foods like maida and maida containing foods, he or she has to avoid taking it completely by for taking very frequently, because the epilepsy or seizure triggers more frequently occurrence due to high intake of outside foods, street foods, junk food, or fully processed, extra salty and sugary ready to eat snack items. One has to make a plan of making a proper food habit. Firstly, he or she shouldn't skip breakfast or first meal of the day. Breakfast should be proper, a healthy composition of composition of complex carbs such as oats या dalia or ragi, quinoa, any form of millets should be included in the form of chila, in the form of uh, upma, or in the form of idli, dosa, in that form, along with a good amounts of protein rich food like your uh, legumes curry, pulses, dals, or in the or else milk and dairy products, paneer की भुर्जी या any vegetable curry to be included in breakfast item. In between, then mid morning snack, he or she can take a small bowl of fruits or fresh ripe seasonal fruits, and or else he or she can take nuts like almond, walnut, pistachios, any sort of nuts, or seeds, varied form of seeds like flax seed or chia seed, sunflower seed, pumpkin seeds. These varied form of seeds he can include, or some form of salad like sprouted salad or boiled legumes salads in between gap of breakfast and lunch. Lunch should be also taken in moderation, not heavy one. Mostly, if he or she wants to take rice can be taken but in small quantity with pulses, legumes, yeah, along with any if vegetarian, any kind of veg curry, green vegetable or leafy vegetable. If he or she is taking non-veg items, he or she should try to have non-veg items in daytime itself for better digestion rather than having in late night dinner. Eggs, chicken, lean chicken, fish, he can take. Red meat should be strictly avoided. Along with, he can take but sometimes curd, plain curd, yeah, buttermilk, like this. In the evening time, he or she should opt for healthy snack option, light snack item like some sort of fruit smoothies, yeah, any oats, yeah, ragi smoothies if he or she is at home, or if he or she is outside, then at that time he or she can take tender coconut water, roasted fox nuts, some sort of boiled corn salad, roasted corn salad, yeah, some sort of sprouted salad, or any other form of salad, uh, or, or else he or she can take clear veg or non-veg soup, but before sunset. And dinner should be tried to have utmost prior to 9 to a better digestion of foods. Dinner should be very light. He or she can take 2 or 3 medium pieces of chapati with some vegetable curry or leafy veg curry, or some legumes, some sort of legumes curry. Or if he or she don't like to have chapatis more very often, then he or she can take any millets khichdi like oats, dalia, ragi or quinoa, like this. Or if he belongs to South Indian, he or she belongs to South Indian regions, he or she can have idlis or dosa, fermented foods. Along with that, proper adequate water intake is also quite essential. Minimum of 3 liters and maximum 4 liters in a whole a day. These are all the healthy dietary guidelines for checking epilepsy or seizures of a very recurrent attack, along with proper medication, along with proper diet, doctor consultation and dietitian counseling time to time. Time to time, he routine at least 3 to 6 months gap blood sugar check, BP check, lipid cholesterol test, liver functioning test to be done to find out whether any parameter is very high or not low or within the range. Accordingly, he or she has to consult with the specific field doctor for that, along with dietary um, counseling from a expert food counselor, a diet clinical nutritionist counseling. Uh, Along with all these healthy tips, dietary tips, lifestyle modification is also very much crucial. Under lifestyle modification, exercise, proper sleep, stress management, these three aspects comes under this. Exercise for any form, not strenuous form of exercise like walking, jogging, and then yoga, he or she can do minimum of 30 to 45 minutes. If early morning not possible, and then evening he or she can do it, but at least try to spare 30 minutes of time minimum from your busy hectic schedule for 5 days in a week. If exercise not only helps in stress management but also helps in getting good sleep. Proper timely sleeping and timely waking up very essential to control the triggers occurrence of epilepsy or seizure. Stress management, one can do either breathing yoga or meditation for 15-20 minutes any time of the day. Longer screen time to be avoided at least 1 hour prior to going to bed. One should avoid usage of extra electronic gadgets, any kind of electronic gadgets usage, because it deprives of sleep. Lack of sleep or less sleeping causes more recurrent attack of epilepsy or seizure. Try to give spare some time from a busy schedule to go out and spend time with your family or friends to release stress from your mind. All these things are very important to control epilepsy or seizure. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day. Take care.